How to learn English for beginners. Start smart. Speak with confidence even as a beginner. Don't start with grammar. Learn real-life phrases like, how are you? I need help. I don't understand. Useful phrases help you speak quickly. Master 100 basic expressions. Evil progress. Train your ears first. Watch shows or listen to slow English podcasts. Use subtitles. Then slowly try watching without them. Practice shadowing. Repeat what you hear like an echo to improve pronunciation. Speak English every day. Even if you're talking to yourself, describe your day out loud. I'm walking to work. I'm cooking lunch. Try speaking apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or even ChatGPT. Stakes are good. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. If you can be understood, you're winning. Grammar will improve over time. Use smart tools to learn faster. Duolingo, Youglish, Google Translate, ChatGPT. Think in English. Say, good morning. What should I eat? I need water. Stop translating everything. Let English become your second inner voice. Set small goals. 5 new words, 3 full sentences, 1 video without subtitles. Celebrate every step. Small wins, big progress. You can learn English. Start small, stay consistent, keep going. Like and subscribe for more easy English tips. You're one step closer to fluency.